Hey, what's up guys? Houston here. Look, if you've been having an issue joining Navy Federal Credit Union, okay, and we all know that Navy Federal Credit Union has a lot of leniency when you have bad credit, okay? Well, I'm going to tell you about another credit union you should check out because I think they have not only the leniency, but they may have some products that look better than Navy Federal, okay? Now, for those of you that's just joining a channel, welcome family. You're part of the VIP family, so welcome. Now, that being said, we're talking about NIH Federal Credit Union, okay? And now with this here credit union, one of the things about it is how do you join? Well, here's the thing about how to join. You can join it through the American Consumer Council. All right, you join the American Consumer Council. Now, with U.S. Alliance, you can actually get a free membership with American Consumer Council through U.S. Alliance. All right, so that's just a little tip for you guys. Why would you want to join? Okay, here's why you want to join NIH Federal Credit Union. Okay, the reason is they have a platinum credit card. Okay, if you want to talk about, say that you wanted to start a business and you needed, say, $10,000-$15,000 with no interest on the money for at least 15 months, they have a platinum Visa credit card, okay, that goes up to 15 months on balance transfer and purchases. All right, that's not the only good thing about it. Now, when you join them, one of the good things about it, like that hard inquiry that they do, that hard inquiry lasts for up to 60 days. Now, why is that important? Well, the importance of that is that you can apply for multiple products with this credit union with just that one hard inquiry. All right, so that's the reason. Now, for those of you that are already members that already know this, they offer something like a payday loan, right? And with their, similar to their payday loans, their loans, you can borrow with no credit check, and they give you up to 90 days to make your first payment on the loan. All right, so that's another thing about them that I really like. Of course, they have something that I think most of you guys really would like, and I don't know if you guys ever knew about this, for those of you that are already members of NIH Federal Credit Union, is that for their business credit card, they do a soft pull. So where, say that you was with Navy Federal and you wanted to get a business credit card with Navy Federal, okay? Remember I told you with Navy Federal, for their business accounts, business credit accounts, you have two scores. Your internal score, which goes from 100 to 450, and then they also look at your Experian FICO 9 score. All right. Some people say they look at your Experian mortgage score, FICO 5 mortgage score. All right. But I'm just telling you that with NIH Federal Credit Union, you can actually get a business credit card with a soft pull. All right. Now, who do they pull? They use Equifax. Okay. As a matter of fact, they use Equifax mortgage score. Okay. So mortgage score FICO 5. So if you don't know what your mortgage FICO 5 score is, then click the link in the description and get your mortgage score. Now, here's another interesting thing about it. I think it's unfortunate too, is that they do check systems. All right. Now, I know this is one of the bigger things for a lot of people that's trying to get access to a lot of credit unions and stuff, and they're trying to figure out if they check systems or if they check early warning systems. All right, so they do check systems, unfortunately, but at the same time, if you're able to get into this credit union, they have some very good products. Their credit cards go up to $25,000, by the way. Okay, in case some of you guys are wondering, their credit cards do go up to $25,000. All right. Now, for those of you that want to apply for credit cards, because I know a lot of people, they would get into the membership, but then they'll wait because they may have too high of a debt to income ratio, and they're trying to find funding to pay down their debt. Now, some of your third-party lenders, if you're trying to find funding to pay down your debt so that you can take advantage of NIH, Federal Credit Union accounts and stuff, you may want to check out like Upgrade, because they don't do a hard pull on your credit. So you may be able to qualify for a personal loan to help pay off your debt with them. Their loans go up to $50,000. Then you have a universal credit, and also their DTI, their debt to income ratio, with Upgrade universal credit goes up to $50,000. Soft pull, now their debt to income ratio, and this is very key for a lot of people that don't know how important a debt to income ratio. With NIH Federal Credit Union, their DTI is more likely it's going to be between 50-55%. Okay, so just keeping that in mind. So you may be more at an advantage if you get a third party loan and pay down your debt, and then applying for like their credit cards and their loans. All right, but they definitely are a very good company, credit union, if you're able to get into them. And again, they're not like Navy Federal, where you have to show military existence, or you have to already have a family member that's a part of the credit union. They let you join again by American Consumer Council. Also, you have to open up a savings account. I forgot about that. You do have to open up a savings account with them, which is only $5. All right. So if you're looking for alternative credit union, besides Navy Federal, then NIH Federal Credit Union is definitely a great credit union for you guys to check out. All right. So if you have any other questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, or removing negative items off of your personal credit, then click the link in the description. So this is Houston. Thank you.